Okay, everybody, we're going to be doing another playthrough of the 9 Kings. We're just going to be doing another game that I think should take about somewhere between 20 minutes and half an hour. We'll see how this goes. We'll go ahead and launch the game now. I'm going to do the same thing as last time. We'll have it on the second hardest difficulty setting, and I'm going to play nature. I think last time I'm not sure what I did wrong. I'm just going to try to adjust my play slightly. I don't think I'm gonna stay away from the mycelium. It doesn't seem to do anything. Like it looks cool. It makes it look like there's a lot of them, and it attacks rapidly. But I do think we need to focus more on trying to get cards like Procreate, get a higher level forest quickly to just pump my stuff's defense. And I'm gonna get a lot of poison going, hopefully on some elves. So yeah, that's probably what I want to try to go for. And then hopefully we can get some decent stuff from the other classes. Okay, as always, I'm going to drop my tower back here. My tank up here. I'm probably just going to immediately buff them, make more of them next turn. In case you didn't catch my first video or don't know anything about this game, that's my tower back there. This is basically like a builder auto battler type thing going on here. Well, okay, actually, since we got, I'm gonna take the poison vial. Get some extra riders going on here. It's easy at the beginning here to win these fights. It ramps up. There's 33 years. Every turn is a year. When the 33rd year comes along, I'll take a forest here. Start buffing the hit points on my tanks. Next turn, if I can get some archers of any kind, or ranged anything, that shoots quickly. I'm going to take them, drop them next to my forest, and then start putting poison on them. That was pretty easy there. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I think we're going to go with the Cauldron. Okay. Receive 2 cards after every battle. You no longer choose your loot. I actually think I'm going to... This is actually good, believe it or not. It just lets you play like a lot of extra stuff. Even if you're not grabbing the best thing every turn, you're getting 2 cards. I really like it. We'll see how it pans out, though, in a high difficulty setting. I'm going to go here with the Cauldron and see if it actually puts poison on my... It did! Holy crap. That's amazing. Okay. You can actually poison your big AoE here. That's so absurd. So I don't even think I need to go for a lot of damage. I just need to get super tanky. Okay, what do I want to do here? Will my mycelium? I always trick myself into taking mycelium. I'm not going to do it. So... See, look how fast the enemy just gets exponentially bigger every turn. So they start off basically way weaker than you, and then by around year 18ish, they start to get. I've always had more guys than me for some reason. Mostly the way I play, I guess, but. Okay, 9 years. I'm going to get a peacetime. It doubles the HP of the card on the plot. So what we want, where's that going to be? Okay, up here. So we need to drop something there eventually. I need to get a clone or another Trent so I can buff my my Treant, whatever Treant. Okay, here, let's see. Perfect. Need to get something to put up in this upper front left quadrant here. Oh, hey, that messed me up really good. I think she puts an extra stack of poison on him every time it hits them. That's absurd. I kind of want some King of Spells, so... They killed my... They killed my ballista that I put up there with their first volley. That's crazy. That's a ballista. These are soldiers back here that I have. Okay, I guess. Holy crap, my ballista did a lot of damage there. Okay, so I get to buy stuff here. This card's really bad. It looks like it'd be good, but it's just not. I'm just gonna take this wild card and this. Destroy target plot to receive 3 tome cards. I don't think I need the forest anymore. I think I want to drop a library there now. Okay, that's good. Okay, so that ballista just came back to my hand. That's pretty cool, I guess. I guess go ahead and put the ballista back. That's pretty sick. I'm just gonna drop this because I'm gonna hold on to it because I want to test and see if it gets poisoned if I drop it back here. So I could always kill that later if I need to. So we're in year 10. We're a third of the way through. My AoE now is AoE poison heal is gigantic now, as you can see. Alright. Adds 2% damage to all towers and base every year. Okay, so that can just go out here. It doesn't matter. Level my ballista up. That's good. Sweet. Oops. So this strategy, by taking that thing I took, I'm not getting like probably the best cards that are offered, but I'm getting I'm just playing so much more stuff. So it's allowing me to. I think that in some ways is good. So okay, well I definitely know what I want to unlock then. We'll unlock this. There we go. Yeah, I can drop an elf there. Another stack of poison on them. Oh my god. There's so much damage done by everyone's like range units right after that. There's so much poison on everything, it's pretty gross. I don't know. There's no reason not to just drop this. Like, I can always just destroy it if I want to. So far this is going very swimmingly. It's not too difficult. I'm doing much better than I did last time on this difficulty setting. I think I was just focusing on like upgrading 1 or 2 unit tiles too much and not actually getting enough stuff. I have way more stuff this time. So from playing StarCraft, I'll tell you a lot more stuff usually beats less stuff. So whenever any unit is added to any plot, add 1 extra unit. That's just the maximum HP though. It doesn't like. I think I'll take populate. Okay. I don't know if I want to do that or not. I was for that different now. I always just destroy those plots with things I'm getting, so. If I get another poison, I'll just drop, see if I can, or another cauldron or anything else, I can put on that nice serum. I don't know how that works, I've never tried. This has to have a plot, apparently. Okay, so... Okay. Oh, they actually have a lot more guys than me. We'll see how this goes. Oh, okay, we're alright. My poison did the job there. As you can hear, my dog and cat are being weird with each other. So, peacetime. Yay! All right. So, what level is my query? It's 3 now. But I can just make another query, right? I don't see a reason not to do that. Need a healing there. Oh, we might lose this one. No, I think we're okay. That was close. My poison ends up pulling it out in the end, but okay. So I got a combustion on my. Wait, that library has not copied any buffs I put on anything in the whole game. Like the mycelium look cool, the mushrooms, but like it's my understanding they have super low like a DPS. Like, so I still haven't tried to poison them. If I can unlock the plot next to them, I'll try to see if I can get a cauldron going or something. But, Alright, I'm just going to go ahead and just drop this for us, and then I'm going to get some gold. Like poison seems to just winning out these fights in the long term here, so like I always have less guys for who seems like most to fight, and then 2/3 of the way through the fight I pull through. So okay, sweet. What does this do? Okay, yeah, probably should grab that one actually. If I get another steel overcoat, I need to get that from my units. Prevents the first attack damage. The first attack every single soldier receives during the battle. So it's just really good defense. Okay, well, that was just a rebellion, so we overran it pretty easily. Alright. Okay, that's level 3 now. Alright. It's really close. No, never mind. Okay. Doubles critical damage. Unlocks 3 new random plots with forts forced on them. Increase the damage range of area attacks. I don't think I really have any area guys other than the oh, wait. I'll take the double crit. Okay, let's see here. Let's see here. I don't think I have any of those. Oh, yeah, I can make my walls better, I guess. Oh yeah, it's not. It seems to be playing out pretty well too. But I'm just learning this game. Like I haven't even unlocked everything yet. So as you can see, I'm just trying to figure out the best ways to lay things out. This doesn't seem to have done anything. I've had games with the library did a lot, but I'm putting buffs on stuff, and that's what it does, right? Every year has a 50% chance of duplicating an enchantment on one adjacent troop. Well, there's only one adjacent troop, so that's probably why it doesn't do it very often. Okay, well, it's unit causes area damage equal to 20% of its attack when it kills an enemy. We're 2/3 of the way through this. Let's see. My lord, our diplomats cannot make peace with an enemy king. Okay, I want to be able to kill this stupid library and drop the farm there, but let's see. I need to be able to make more plots here. There we go. Pretty hand. Buffs allies attacks damage based on its own. Where's everybody putting this stuff? Farm, orchard. No, I'm not gonna use that. Probably not that either. What are you doing? Murphy, stop. Oh, we won this one. Oh, this is another rebellion, that's why. get some good, decent choices here. I need to be able to blow some plots up here. Okay, here. Let's see what we can do. Still don't have any options for. Well, putting another thing on this column would probably be good here. I'll buy a cauldron. I'll buy another tower as well. Sure, why not? No, I was going to sell that off here. You have to end every turn with 2 cards. That's why I sell that stuff. You hear my dog? Her name is Mercy. She's a Great Pyrenees. She's gigantic. Oh no. I'm getting murdered this fight. What just happened? Okay, well I ended up winning. That was weird. That was very weird. I wish I could just drop these spires to heal stuff, but... Hey Murphy, stop barking, please. Stop! There's no reason to be barking right now. Just chill out. Sorry about my dog. She's being a dog. Well, that fight went pretty well. Okay, let's see here. Okay, where's the best spot for me to drop something now? I don't even know. I'm gonna go here. Doubles the size, damage, and HP of target troop. Alrighty then. So nothing's healing right, guys. That's pretty good, I think. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm way stronger now. Okay, I'll drop this here. What guys do I want to make fast? Let's be them too, I guess. Whoa. Oh, Jesus. Receive 3 procreate cards. Increases the attack speed of your towers by 50%. Unlock 3 random plots. I think I'm just going to unlock 3 plots. Okay, good. Okay. I should have put that farm on the other side. I don't know why I just did that. That was terrible. I mean, the boars having movement speed is really good. This is going swimmingly. Alright, let's see here. I still have 2 of those plots open. This is the guy that crushes me every time here, but then loses somehow. Okay. Okay, that's better. Take that. I don't know. Okay, so I want that there. I thought I had a wizard or a shop. Oh, okay, there's a... That's cool. These rebellions are super easy to put down, it seems. I feel a little bad, I'm just wiping my own people out here, but you know. Okay, I don't have any of it. Yeah, I don't have any of them. Next year's the last year. Alright. You must play all of your cards. Alright, let's see if I win here. Oh, the library actually did something. Holy crap. So they actually come with like their champion on the last turn. I'll try to kill you. Alright, we got this. Sorry, my strategy in this game is very base so far. I'm still learning stuff. I just find it interesting, and you can crank out a game in less than half an hour, right around a half an hour anyway. Which is pretty interesting. I'm gonna get off work sometimes. I just feel like, you know, just doing something quick. Wake my brain up from my boring job. And you can, okay, this is the cool part. You can go into endless mode. Since we won that run, quote unquote, you can just continue where it gets way harder. I'll probably die in a couple turns. But now you get to unlock all the plots. Enemies are now stronger. So I think I just click this. Yeah, I can just like open up my whole base here. It's pretty cool. Okay. Is there? Can I put next to any buffing stuff here? It doesn't look like it. Just drop it over here. See what happens here. Who is this? This is the Nation Rebellion again. It's time to wage war against another king. Get the king of greed. Can't hurt anything. More mycelium. I'm gonna leave that one plot open back there in case I see something I really want, though. Whoa, that was a rapid kill. Okay, overinvest. Spend 30 gold to increase every stat of a troop or tower by 15%. Okay. Destroy target plot to receive 30 gold for each level it had. Okay, let's see here. That was quick. I don't know my record for how long I've been in this mode. I mean, I've never even been in this mode on this difficulty setting, so every time enemies attack your units, those enemies gain 1 poison stack. I can just keep adding to the poison here. Anytime there's any plot, add 1 extra unit. Sure. That'd be good back there, so I just have to sell this. Oh, he'll just double my army size. That's pretty bad. Is this where I die? I just lost 1 health. You get 3 health, that's right. Okay. Might as well put another one of those there. Right. I'm gonna lose my rebellion here. This isn't really good. Okay, no, I'm not. Didn't look good for a minute. I'm gonna guess I die next round. Or, well, I mean, I guess technically I have 2 more lives. I'm not strong enough for whatever's going on here. I might not stop this rebellion, actually. Go mushrooms! Kill them! See, maybe about those mushrooms, it'd probably be better if I had anything else in those slots. They just don't seem like they actually do any damage. What do I want to level up here? Shaman, level 3 elf, 1 level 1 forest, 33 archer, 2 soldier. I want a wizard is what I want actually, but I don't have anywhere to put this stuff, so. Oh, I'm dumb. I could have bought a plot. I have lots of money. What am I doing? Well, I keep forgetting that you can end this mode and fill all your spots up. What's the point of the walls? The walls just seem to go down immediately. Like, they don't seem like they stop anything. I think I'm just gonna drop an executioner up here. Thieves here. Yeah. Alright. I think there's just some synergies with certain things I haven't figured out yet. I mean, obviously, this build I did way better than I did last time, because I went like the poison stacking seems good. I mean, I'm almost losing to the rebellion, so. I never did figure out if you could put a cauldron next to it. My sea enemy and actually cause it to do poison damage. I know you can't put poison on them because they're not considered troops. Like you can't use the card poison on them, but yeah. Where I die. I don't think that wallmaker was worth it. Well, I kind of should read about it and see if it is or not. I don't really know. Oh my god, their army's 200 people bigger than mine. 150. Oh no. Yeah, here's where I die. Maybe? They got through the wall, but I'm not sure that's gonna be. Oh, they're gonna apparently. Oh my god, I held. That was crazy. Who was that was just attacking me? Oh, it's definitely the King of Nothing that's been kicking my butt. I'm gonna get rid of him, make peace with him. Alright. I wish I could. Hey! What was that about? A stack of something. You gotta do anything to them. Good games, sir. Yeah, so I'm actually going to probably try to watch some videos about, now that I'm getting further in the game, about different synergies and things I'm probably not doing that I should be doing. But I mean, I'm already on the second hardest difficulty setting. I won the main run, like the roguelike part of the run, the short run. But yeah. So if you like what you're seeing, yeah, I'm do a lot of action roguelike content. Hades, I've been playing Hell Clock. So you can always drop a like or a subscription below. I'll see you next time. Thanks.